What is up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. This is a new foundation video. Alright, so this is the foundation I found at Ulta and I wanted to try it. It is brand new and I cannot wait to try it with you guys. But before we do that, do not forget to subscribe. Do not forget to click the little bell so you can be updated on when I post new videos. And do not forget to follow me on social media. Alright guys, so the new foundation I am referring to is the NYX Born to Glow foundation, okay? This is a naturally radiant foundation and it is 1.1 fluid ounces. I got this from Ulta, like I said, and it's brand new from NYX. I was at Ulta like a few days before this hit the store, and I saw that they moved all of the Can't Stop Won't Stop. I saw they moved all of those to another part of the display, and they had new foundation coming. So I'm like, okay, cool, let's see what's going on. So I ended up going back to Ulta because I actually was trying some new Juvia's, like, we don't have to talk about the Juvia's Place, but anyways, I was trying to return one of the Juvia's Place foundations that I bought, and I saw that they had these up. They retail for $10. They're in the squeezy tube just like Juvia's Place. So I'm like, okay, cool to take on vacation. Alright, so let me pull up the website to see what kind of claims they have, because this just came like this. There was no packaging, no nothing. So let us see what the claims are. Alright, so I'm on the website and let me tell you a little bit more about the foundation. It says available in an inclusive range of 45 truly flattering shades. Our convertible formula delivers buildable medium coverage and a naturally radiant finish that lasts. This liquid foundation blends like a dream and even works with your skin to help create a smooth, even tone look. Turn up the luminosity with other Born to Glow products. Alright, so this is medium coverage, natural glow, naturally radiant, 45 shades. So all these companies are trying to be inclusive, which I appreciate. Like, I don't like to be the darker shade anymore, and even with the darker shade, it's either too dark or still a little too light. Now companies are really realizing that we buy products too, so I appreciate that. But I wanted to try this because I tried the NYX. This is my foundation. Like, this bottle is damn near empty. This is like my second bottle. I love this foundation. I did a review on this when it first came out, so if you have not seen that, I will link that up above somewhere. But I wanted to test them out. I wanted to see with coverage if it's the same coverage. Not coverage, but color. Okay, so this is in the shade Cocoa and this is in the shade Cocoa. So I stuck with the shade that I had in this. So I want to go ahead. I'm going to do a wear test, but I want to see as far as coverage and color if they kind of match up the same. Alright, so I'm not going to swatch this on my chest because my chest is a totally different color than my face. Shit. We're going to swatch. This is the Born to Glow foundation. You can see that. Now the NYX foundations in Cocoa, they tend to have some red to them. Shit. They are a little red, the Cocoa shade, but Cocoa is supposed to be neutral. So, but I like the Cocoa shade. I'm not even gonna lie. I love the Cocoa. And NYX, one of my favorite foundations. So I want to see if they match up as far as color. Okay, so alright, so the NYX, the Can't Stop Won't Stop is full coverage, and you can tell it is more covered than this one. This is medium coverage. This is the Born to Glow, and they're really about the same shade. And I'm going to use my Hydro Grip primer from Milk. I love this primer. And because it's a medium coverage and it's radiant foundation, I have to color correct. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that real quick. Alright, so now that I have color corrected, I'm going to go ahead into this foundation. And one side I'm going to do with a brush. I should have said that. One side I'm going to do with a brush, the other side I'm going to do with my sponge. It's really sheer, so you can put on more, you can build it up. So we're gonna do that on this side too, and it's affordable, so that's a good thing. And I think I'm gonna stop buying like high-end foundations, because I have a bunch of high-end foundations that I don't really care for. So I think I'm just gonna stick with the drugstore, because drugstore foundations are really like coming up with some really good products. So I think I'm just gonna stick with drugstore stuff and leave the high-end shit alone, because I really don't need them, and I don't think they really do much. But this is radiant. Like, my skin is glowing. All right, so nice coverage. We're gonna try the other side. We're gonna use a I keep wanting to say beauty blender, but we're gonna use a sponge. All right, so I'm gonna use my Sasha K6 sponge, and actually let me get a little bit. All right, let's see how it is with the sponge. Alright, so this is how it looks with, this side was a brush, this side was a sponge. I actually prefer the brush side with this foundation, I think, because it's more of a, like a sheer type foundation. I think it applies well with the brush. That's just my opinion. But, it looks good. It looks good. This is more full coverage, so this has more of an effect to me, but this looks very dewy, like really good for the summer. You don't have to look caked on and nothing like that, so this is really good. So I'm gonna just put on the rest of my makeup, and I'm gonna see how the hood looks. Alright, y'all, so I put on some stuff with the shit. I put on some stuff with it. So as first impression on the makeup, I like it. It's light coverage. It's not too heavy. It's really good for the summer. Really nice and dewy. I feel like I have something on. It feels a little, I can feel it. My skin. I can feel it on my skin, but touching my skin, I can't really feel it. Alright, so we're going to see how this fares for a few hours. I'm not an oily person. Well, I do get a little oily around here, but nothing to write home about. So, I'm not oily or anything. My skin is dry. I have dry skin. So, we're going to see how this works out. Right now, it is... What time is it, child? Right now, it is 4:47. So I'm going to come back in a few hours, and we're going to just see how this looks. I might do updates here and there, but we're going to come back and we're going to see. All right? Be right back. All right, y'all. So it is 11:30. I've had this makeup on through the fire, through the rain. Listen, okay. After I put this on, after I filmed the first half of this video, I thought my day was gonna go pretty just chill, relax. I know I had to do some work, but I didn't know that I was gonna be sweating a lot and everything. So I cooked dinner. I actually had a print job to do, t-shirt print job to do. So I printed like 8 or 9 shirts. I was under the heat of my heat press, and I was just sweating with this foundation on. And I went to the grocery store. So I've been through the fire with this foundation, and it is still intact. Okay, it is still going good. I do have some little oily spots right here, nothing too heavy or whatever in around here. So other than that, it has held up really good. Definitely medium coverage. I'm glad it's not full coverage because I don't really like to wear full coverage in the summertime. This is a very good alternative to the Can't Stop Won't Stop. So it is the same color and everything. So the Can't Stop Won't Stop I think is like $14.99, and the Born to Glow is $10 at Ulta. Now I don't know if any like Walmart or anybody else drugstores, I don't know if they're selling this yet. But it is at Ulta for $10, and you can also buy this on NYX website for $10 as well. So it's a really, really good foundation in my opinion. Did the wear test, I can tell about it. Very good for traveling. I mean, it still look good. I think I still look good. And I didn't really put on a lot of stuff too. So it still looked pretty good. I had no complaints whatsoever. And for a $10 full coverage foundation, not full coverage, for a $10 medium coverage foundation, it did really good. So, and you have some transfer, but not a lot. Like the Juvia's Place has mad transfer. Like, I gotta tell y'all about that foundation. I have been trying to find a better shade. I did a video with Tanzania. I have tried probably like 4 or 5 shades after that. I have Dakar, I have Togo, I tried Malawi, I tried Kenya, and I tried Angola, and I cannot seem to find my right shade. It says Togo, like I did foundation, and it says Togo is my best foundation. But Togo is olive and it's cool tone, and I do not like olive foundation. That is why I don't, my bad. That is why I don't really wear Tiramisu from Born This Way. Born This Way. Is that what his name? No. Too Faced, Born This Way. That's what I call it? Yeah, Born This Way. That's why I don't wear Tiramisu, because Tiramisu is olive, and I don't really like olive foundation. So, I don't like Togo, but Malawi was not bad. But I just want to find my perfect shade like everybody else. Why can I not find that? I think I'm done with Juvia's Place. I tried my hardest, and it just does not seem to work. So if you are my shade, my complexion, and if you found your perfect shade in Juvia's Place, let me know, okay? Because this, it was like for a while I was determined to find my perfect shade, and then I gave up, and then I ended up buying this. Alright, but anyway, I give this an A-. I think it is a really good foundation. It is really good for the summertime, not full coverage, so it's not a lot of shit on your face. It is a great substitute for this. If you run out of this, you have that same color. Nothing is different. It's the same color. It's just this is a medium and that is a full. So A-. I give it a thumbs up. Buy this foundation. I like the foundation. You know, I like it a lot. This might be my everyday foundation. I wanted, you know, anyways, this might be my everyday foundation. But anyways, if you have any questions, let me know down below. And I guess I'll talk to you guys in my next video. I'm about to wash this shit off. I am tired. Alright? Alright. Okay, bye.